You need to sit in front of the mirror and ask yourself, am I just throwing tantrums? Am I just being a child? Is this painful? You know what pain is. Doctors will ask you in the hospital on a scale of 1 to 10. How painful is your pain? You should be able to tell. We all know what abuse is. You should know what your spirit can take. If the children of Israel stayed there,
Hi everyone, welcome to Cross.xtv. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Yes. Today's update is about my beautiful queen, elegant, Mary, smart, intelligent, the woman full of wisdom. Benny, my queen Naomi Shilekanla, Mama Tadenikawo. We all know who Queen Naomi is. She's married to Ooni of Ife, and they both have a beautiful, handsome, cute son together called Tadenikawo. Yes. Naomi is a beautiful lady, beautiful queen, beautiful mother. She's still making waves while she was in the palace, making waves. She's out of the palace, still making waves. I know a lot of haters would say we are here again, but we don't really care because we love our queen. And Queen Naomi is said to be, we are giving her that name, aka we all know we all know Lady Diana in United Kingdom, the Queen Elizabeth's daughter-in-law. Yes. So now Nigeria's version, the Queen and the Lady Diana of Nigeria's version is Queen Naomi Shilekanla Mama Tadenikawo. As you can see in this name was from some of our subscribers, you know. Some of our subscribers, they gave Queen Naomi Shilekanla Lady Diana of Africa. Yes, if you see her way into the palace, she really fits into that title. Yes, yes, she fits into that title. And a lot of people will say, "Whoa, Naomi this, Naomi that," but we don't really care, you know. She's still in the news. While she was in the palace, she's in the news. She left the palace, she's still in the news. So this woman will always make waves. Yes. See her in this beautiful African attire, you know, with her beautiful, colorful gele, her makeup on point. Yes. No jewelry, her eyebrow on fleek. See the smile. The lipstick is so calm. You know, she's just too much. Please, when you are beautiful, you are beautiful. Drop your comment down below. When you are extraordinary, you are. Trust me, nobody can. Even all the olori way Obadan they marry, made them pack 1 million. None of them can stand Queen Naomi. Trust me. When Queen Naomi is not on makeup, she's beautiful. When Queen Naomi talks, she's beautiful. When she walks, she's beautiful. Everything, basically Naomi Lara. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. Naomi is not like all those adelebos in the palace. Queen Naomi was married without no children. Ọba ló jẹ̀jà Queen Naomi ló ṣẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí jẹ́ kó máa bímọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. I'm not saying Queen Naomi was a virgin. I'm only saying that her first child, her first fruit was from Ooni of Ife, Ọba Ogunwusi, Ọjájá second. And God has seen that all these things will crop up, all these problems will crop up. And that's why God gave her a king, Oriade, not a girl, a baby boy. Wow. And we all know our tradition in Africa. Boys hold the 100% hold of their father's house. So Queen Naomi, she's too much. Nobody can drag it with her. she's too much. She's just too much. A lot of bloggers, I've seen them bashing Queen Naomi, saying this, saying that, saying negative things about this lady. But it's really unfair because we are not getting our priorities right. And a lot of these bloggers, majority of them are single mothers. Oh, they are single mothers. Oh, what Naomi has achieved, I'm sure they haven't achieved any little thing close to that thing, to or whatever Queen Naomi has achieved. Naomi is a prophetess now. Come on, she's a doctor. She's a queen. Yeyelua. When Naomi got married, the whole Ile-Ife came out. It was shaking. In fact, the whole Nigeria was shaking. Everybody glued to their TV, to their social media to see. So Naomi is a star. He is a star. And you know, when star goes into anywhere, oh mama sparkled, everything must shining. So my queen Naomi, please, you people should leave her. All these haters, all these bloggers saying awful things, saying rubbish things about this our queen. You know, even if you can see our previous video, Queen Naomi with her husband, they were lovebirds. They were sweet together. But all these bad belly people, and they always say it, relationship to ba ma da. Ọwọ́ àwọn tó bá wà around marriage yẹn, ọwọ́ wọn ló wà. Because think about wrong. Instead them to call the parties together, to call them to order. No, this one will be feeling down on negative. The other one will be feeling so bas ma shele. But anyway, my queen has moved on. She's living her life, living good, stepping out. Haters na sabio. How can wait? But please drop your comment down below. How can someone that is not married, be analyzing a married woman's life? A married woman's life, sorry. Someone that is not married, and tí ó sì nílé ọkọ, ó wá analyze the ẹni tó wà nílé ọkọ. I don't understand. The experience is different. And a baby mother cannot be a motivational speaker for the married women. It's not possible because you are not living there. You don't live there. And most of those bloggers are abroad. Those bloggers are abroad, even. And most of all these bloggers are abroad, yeah. Please let them show us their face and their wedding rings. Yes, a lot of them are baby mothers. Àwọn gan ló lé ọkọ wọn kúrò nílé because law UK permit ó máa ń fún obìnrin ní upper hand ọkùnrin lọ. Imagine in UK, a man will suffer to get a mortgage, his wife will send him out of the house. But in Naomi's case, it's not like that. She left the marriage. She wasn't feeling the vibe because she saw a lot of things. She doesn't want to spread that dirty linen outside, so she left. You know, all these bloggers that say negative things about Naomi, don't you people have family that you can blog? Put them on your social media. Put them there. Sort of family. You people should leave Queen Naomi alone. Enough is enough. Leave my queen alone. And even with all this blast, she will never reply to you. She won't. She won't reply you. Shebi, you people, you haters, you have achieved your aim. Queen Naomi left the palace. Now, see our Oba, he has turned to Feyi Kogbon. Story by moonlight. He has turned to Feyi Kogbon. See him. Just look at him. Let me pause and just watch.
Yes, sir. Queen. God bless you. You are decent.
Am I not reserved?
You are reserved.
Am I not cool?
You are.
Queen.
Yes, sir.
Queen.
God bless you.
This video is actually a show of shame. I'm telling you. I'm so highly disappointed. See the wife even shouting. Imagine Oba asking them, is it decent? Please, drop your comment down below. If you are decent, are you supposed to be asking questions? He's even saying, am I reserved? Oh, we can see Oba is reserved though, with all the concubines, all these leak voice notes everywhere. You know, with all these voice notes, where would they hear? All these expire daily but ti Baba and fair kiri. Baba is reserved. I won't say anything. And Baba even asked a question, am I cool? Baba cool, okay. You cool fire. With all it's only my mommy, Esa Bod, that can finish Baba. She has everything with her. She has She has all babas, babas. That's most bad. Oh yeah, you should watch this video. All the 3 points I've made, that's what our king will say now. See the way the wife said, gbogbo àwọn olórí bó ṣe ń down because them too, because nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ ò jẹ́ kán gbádùn. I want to please drop a comment down below. Nígbà tí since Ooni of Ife has married those olori to the palace, I can bet it that he hasn't slept with some of them. Yes, because when you're married, you and your husband, you're supposed to sample each other. I can bet it that Ooni of Ife has not gone round with all of them. See them now shouting, like Tales by Moonlight, Abife Ikogbon, they're asking them questions, they're throwing it back, all because of fame. Ibo nílé ayé ń lọ, all because they want to answer that olori, queen, HRH. Can you imagine what's going on? Let me even talk. You know, we all know Elegushi now. Elegushi is a classic king. I'm telling you. And Elegushi is even smaller. It's very, very small in tradition to Ooni of Ife. Elegushi has a wife, Sekinat, beautiful woman. They've been together from scratch. Now Elegushi felt, okay, fine. I want to bring in another wife. We can see this picture now. See this lady, see this queen, see this olori Adizat. Adizat ó ná gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó Ooni of Ife apart from Naomi. Ó ná wọn pa. Na fresh, sweet, classy, posh babe. Why can't our Ooni not marry this kind of babe? Why be say gbogbo àwọn obìnrin tó ti bí gbogbo ọmọ ọnú wọn tán? Hey, it is well o. Gbogbo àwọn iṣẹ́ ayé, àwọn iṣẹ́ palazzo malazzo, ni ọba wa ń gbé. Anyway, what can we do? Please drop a comment down below. What do you think? You know, but what can we do? Is our king. We only analyze, we only talk. Is best known to him. When the heat begin, they come up for palace. Now only go bear the heat. Now we can only dissect and analyze. One serious gbege just happen again. For our next video, stay tuned. I go gist to now. Because our the matana now to the analyze, they give them back to back. Maybe one day Oba go learn before it's too late. Thank you very much.